Are you looking to upgrade your home or get a house on Canal? Let me show you this property. It is $1.4 million, but it has a pool, jacuzzi, 3-bed, perfect location. You have Cape Coral Bridge, so the beach is not too far away from you. 2 turns and you are in a Gulf, so it's a perfect location. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly. So let's go, come on.
Beautiful kitchen. This listing, guys, presented by Century 21. Nice dining room over here as well. Beautiful lights. Your living room, high ceilings, nice high door. Just go check out the master suite. Guys, again, check it out. Baseboards, nice and square. Just step into master. You also have a tile to the whole house. It's about 2,227 square feet. This fully furnished comes in. You have a closet for him, for her. They have only access to one of the closets in here. As you saw in my other listings, they had wood ones. Here's the metal ones. That's the usual that you see. Florida. Again, tile to the house. Here's a different color. Check this place out. Double vanity. There's me. And it's a soft closed. Freestanding top. Walk-in shower. This place fully furnished, selling it as is. On top of that, they're giving you all the rental history with all the rentals clients as well. It'll be yours. It's the office. Small window, or you can turn this into a game room if you want to. You have a laundry room. Garage, we'll go there later. Got this another room here. Okay, beautiful design. Love the touch they made it with the closet as well. There's me again. Single sink, walk-in shower, tile floor as well. Guests coming over, they have their own room with the bathroom. So bigger garage. It's spacious. Painted floor, room for extra toys there if you want to. And again, guys, this house, impact garage doors, outdoors, impact windows. I need some of the paint, but it's a beautiful house. Nice big baseboards. See, if you can't do open house, you could have all this. Ooh, if you guys got that. And with all the way outside, it goes to pool bathroom as well. They have a pool over here and a pool bathroom here as well. Nice incest. Love those lights, guys. Shades is all nice. Nicely done, this house. Very nicely designed. Let's go check out the pool and dock outside. This is the paradise, guys. Look at the size of this pool. Places to sit, relax. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pool here. Nice dock outside too as well. Put your boat, it's 10,000 pounds. Boom, you can put your chairs up. Just like the neighbors right there have it as well. Yes, and you definitely want to put a roof over it. If you can put a boat here, definitely have a roof over your boat. And it protects it from all the sun that we get here in Florida. It's all enclosed. It's that house right there next door. It's not enclosed, so you get all the bugs. So a nice area too. The doors opens up all the way up this way. So just everything be open. I would do as well, put an outside kitchen here. You can just imagine here, a grill out here, a sink, got a couple cabinets out here, like a mini fridge here for cold drinks, margaritas, whatever. It's beautiful, guys. And that's a bonus. Comment below what you guys think about this property. Would you live in Cape Coral, Florida on Canal, guys? This is super easy. I'll put the address and the link for this property in the description as well. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Leave in the comments below, what do you think about this property? How you like to see tours for next properties that I do? Maybe you want to stop somewhere more and emphasize on other things, explain more things. Comment below, ask questions. Be more than happy to introduce that in my next videos as well. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. I appreciate it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you hit the bell button, you'll get notified when my next video is coming out, or talk about different areas, talk about Florida, Southwest Florida specifically. So I'm super stoked for you guys to stay to the end of the video. I really appreciate. Thank you for all the support, and God bless. And again, if you have any questions, let me know as well. I'll get all the information to you. Just send me a quick message. Be more than happy to answer any questions you got. So comment below, let me know what you think about this property and would you live in this specific property. All right, God bless.